Greetings! This is Creative Engineering, and I'm Vanilla Ice. Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Engineering's episode. In today's episode, well, I focused mainly on getting everything done. This is like, the floor is completely done in here. All the things over there have refined storage detectors to control. Even this is now on a detector, as you can tell here. This is always constantly running, and that really can't get changed. Same for clay production. But I do what I can. This is also on everything's. So basically, I'm going to work on building a I want to work on building a sawmill today, and getting wood processing done. But before I do that, I gotta make sure that some stuff is, well, up to sip. That we're up to the thing that we're actually producing everything that we need to produce before we can start the sawmill. So 1 second, folks, while I check that out. Okay, folks, I'm back in my thing, and yes, we do have everything we need. So first, we're going to need to make thing to compress the bamboo into bamboo blocks. What's it called? A basin? Yeah, a basin, I think. We're going to need 1 basin to make bamboo blocks. And we're going to need a press. Or we're going to need some more. We got any andesite in here? Yes, we do. Excellent. So we'll set 48 for now. Then we want to press. The first thing is going to be bamboo blocks. And then we're going to want to strip those bamboo blocks. So we're going to need we're going to need belts. I don't think I've got belts bookmarked. Well, I should probably ensure that they are. Okay, so I'm going to need 1 for making bamboo blocks, stripping bamboo blocks, stripping oak, stripping. I also want to strip another type of wood, probably. Well, stripping bamboo. Probably stripping another type of wood. And I'm going to need 2 belts for the things. I'm going to need 7 belts altogether for this project. We're also going to need 1 saw. We're going to need the spinner thingy. What's the spinner thingy called? We're going to need at least 3 axes. So any axe will do, but I like iron axes. We're going to need 3 rotation spinnies. Kitchens, or create C. I want to see. Well, it's something I wanted to create add-ons. It's a spinny thingy that can strip logs. There we go, the slicer. Yes, I'm gonna need 3 turntables. Okay, so we need some more slabs. Ooh. And the turntable is used to make the slicer. There we go. So I'm going to need to make 3 cogs. So I'm going to need to make some... I'm going to need 3 cogs for the 3 slicers. And now I'm going to need to make slabs, so we need planks to make slabs. Eventually, these planks will get moved to the proper thing. And I can make 3 turntables. Just like that. There we go. I'm gonna make 3 slicers. They're also going to be working on. We're going to need depots. We're going to need a bunch of drawers as well. So we're going to need to make some more chests. Drawers. We got no drawers. I need to make some chests. We're going to need 14 chests for this project. Okay, so we need some more planks because we're going to need 14 drawers. Actually, we're going to need 21 of them, but so we need another 11 chests. Then 7 of them we're going to have to reduce so they can only hold a single stack. Those are the inputs. I'm gonna need a plank to set the saw. Gonna need some cogs, so I may as well craft 3 cogs. We should have enough now to start setting stuff up. So let's start doing that. I like setting these ones up like this, vertically. So here's will be the first one. That's no, I need 1 over. Or 2 block gap. And I need to do it like this, actually. Okay, so this will be the wall. And that goes like there. Do I need to draw at the end for this first one? Well, the first one's just for to actually make the stuff. Okay, so where the hell is my wrench? I could do that into the wall there, like that. Actually, that might be better. This first one is for bamboo. I will have to put one in here. This is for that. That's right. I'm gonna need a block of bamboo to set the filter for that. And then a drawer on the end here for the blocks of bamboo. And next we want to set one up to strip the bamboo. I think I'll do 2 blocks apart from each one. Power ball there. That's gonna be a tight squeeze, but it can be done. Or is that too short? That should be fine, I think. That'll be that. We're going to go one of these here with, we're going to do slicer there. We'll need I'll put the axe on it. There we go. We'll have to set up a filter for that. Now we gotta do this twice more. For the next 2 strippers, which will be for oak and something else. I don't know what I'm going to pick. I'm tempted to make I should really go make myself a wrench and go sleep. So I'll go do both of those things. While I get back, we'll continue with the setup. Well, folks, I'm back and I did a major derp. I didn't realize I had a wrench on me. So yeah. Stripping that. This will be. Okay, this is going to strip. One of these is going to be stripping oak. That one's going to be stripping a different type of wood. So let me see. Where's my? Here we go. I have to set these up, of course. Oh, wait a minute. Bark. There's gonna be bark in these things too, so. Maybe a central storage would be better. Underground. Yeah, underground central storage. That's actually not a bad idea. can arrange that, or do I need to do that? Let me think. I might have to do that for some of them. There we go. Like, I gotta figure out, how am I going to do this stuff, honestly. Like, am I going to do chests and do an underground storage? Because these will also, because I think these two will give the same product. Bark. So, like, but, different strip of wood, so... And this will give me straw, which... as well, so... Is there another controller? Wait a minute, there's controller access points, isn't there? Yeah, I can use these, I think. Bit less expensive, but... and I got craft repeaters for them, but... they should let me do what I want to do. Okay, I'm also going to set up a sawmill back here, I think, somewhere. Okay, so this is the farthest back it can go, so the sawmill might be set to the side. I think I will. I might have made a drawer too many. And that's acceptable. This one's also got to have power. I mean, I could set up to autocraft. I mean, this is only going to have one outcome. I probably should... and I'm going to ensure that it stays safe at doing that. Like storage. Well, am I gonna? I might do storage against the back wall with storage access points. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do storage. Storage against the back wall. So let me see here. Storage. We need. This is the wall is going to be like right there. So we'll do. Heck, I can even do a storage access point for this as well. Make it look like it's all uniform. Okay, so that's gonna be the blocks of bamboo, strip bamboo, the straw, stripped oak, stripped another type of log, bark, and of course planks. Now I need to make a controller and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 access points. And then link it all up into one system. I've got an extra belt. I was going to set up something else, wasn't I? Yeah. Oh, right. I need to... Well, I guess I better have excess than not enough. Yeah, I'd rather have excess than not enough. But let me go get those things, and well, when I come back, we'll add that things, all the, plus we're gonna need all these filters too as well. And like a block of bamboo, we're gonna need some more stuff, so I'll go get it and be right back. So I got everything I need to finish this. Well, at least to finish the part where it stores stuff and does it. I still need to have to grab filters and stuff, but yeah, the controller access points. And of course, the storage controller. And this is going to be a jungle region. That's this line's going to be. This line's going to be jungle. I'm also going to put that here, and then set the number to 9 exact, because that's how many it takes to make one of those. The other 3 will go here, here, and here. The rest of them are going to be good old andesite funnels. So there, 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 and there. Now I need to configure everything. Locked that one, good. Lock that one, good. And I should probably lock this one so I have the stuff that I need for it. I don't want to go boop. And then I can go. There we go. All of them will send their products to this. Means all I need now is one external storage, a bunch of exporters for the refined storage aspect of it. I also need, of course, to set up jungle over in the greenhouse to get the jungle wood. Oh, plus I need all the various detectors for, let's see, planks, strips, plankton strips. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 detectors, and 5, and 10, so that's, I'm gonna need like 10 things, so I'll go get that. When I'm ready, we'll be back and we'll continue working on this sawmill. I got a bunch of components, but I know they're not all of them, but the important part is these vertical switch, these things. I can put them on the ones that matter. And I can put these, half of these on here. I like saying them at 90 and 10% because those just seem to be good numbers to use. Good round numbers. Oh, I'm gonna need more than that, but that'll start that quite nicely. And then we gotta go, like that. I mean, I could do vertical gearboxes with cogs, but I don't know if they're gonna be going the right way. Ah, what do you know? I can tap into that right there. Perfect. And if I use encased chain drives, that'll make it even better. Let me see. Yeah, because I can just encase chain drives there. That. Yeah, that'll do like that. There we go. Boom. And basically I gotta do that for... Basically I've gotta connect each one up to the output here. It's gonna take a fair bit of resources for me to do that. But I'll bring it back when it's completely operational, when it's like ready to run, and all I got left to do is like set up the exporters. But yeah, like I said, I'll bring it back when we're ready to continue. Okay folks, I'm back and I've got everything I need to like finish making this actually fully functional. That includes this external storage, priority of +1. It's gonna be like that. I want to cable stuff in from the back side. So from here first. So here will be a stripped oak. Oh, I don't even have a stripped oak. I'm gonna make myself a stripped oak. I guess maybe I should start from this side to wire stuff up there. If I can even access that one, I probably can. So figure out how. Go. Exporter. And boot. should probably lock the bamboo in there now. And where's my lock? I'm sure you're gonna put locks on all of these. Or I set what they are. This one right here is jungle. Maybe I'll be able to set this one here. This one is stripped oak. That's what I want. I want a stripped oak block. There we go. There we go. I just gotta wire everything up. There. Everything's working. Yep, 16 stripped oak logs. Oh, I know what the problem is. I need to put one in. Oak log, that's right. Should be exporting. The saw is running, or is it not connected? Nope, it's wired. Or is this not connected? work's being done, so... So why aren't planks being made? Maybe it's the wrong thing in the exporter, I don't know. Should be working. Oh, is this not fully connected? Yeah, the storage isn't connected. Darn. I didn't think of that. Eh. There we go. Now everything's working. No, hopefully you can learn to avoid my mistake, folks. I mean, I still gotta build up a building around it, but other than that, the sawmill is functioning. And best of all, it's gonna be controlled completely by Create. I mean, bamboo should be growing, so... Yeah, there's 8 in there. I think there is. Yeah, it's 8, so it's got... Oh yeah, wait till there's 9, that's why. So this will take a while for the bamboo to fill up. Same for the strip bamboo, but hey, it's working. And I'm happy. I can put that there because, well, this is actually where the wall is. I'm gonna, folks, let me go sleep and then we can, and I'll end the episode, yeah. Be right back. Well, folks, I'm back. The rain's gone and it's nice and bright. Let's check the thing and see if we got the stuff in there. Let's look at strips. Good. Bark. Straw. I also show straw, so that's good. And planks. Yep, everything's in there. Excellent. So, no more need to craft planks or do strip logs anymore. Instead, we can do the stuff more automatically. That's the advantage of setting up a crate sawmill, folks. So, well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Before our next episode, I'll start putting up a building around this, hit the flooring, and I'll show you to it next time on the next episode. So until then, folks, God bless. See you next time. Goodbye.